Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Metz TV with your Wi-Fi network. Okay, so the first we have to go for the right upper corner for the settings icon. Next we have to select network and internet. Then click OK for the switcher to simply turn it on. As you can see, that's the notification that it's going to increase energy consumption, but we have to click OK and enable Wi-Fi. As you can see, after a few seconds there's the list of available networks around us, and if you want to see all of the networks you have to go below, click OK. As you can see right now we can see all of the networks, and I would like to connect with this network, so I have to click OK. And right now we are able to input the password. Of course, you are using the arrows and OK to make it. Okay, and if you input your password, you have to simply go for the right side for this icon and click OK. Right now we are connecting to our Wi-Fi network, and as you can see, the connection is successful. And as you can see, right now I'm connected. So for example, right now I'm able to open any application that require internet connection, like for example YouTube. As you can see, everything is fine and the YouTube is working. So we are successfully connected with Wi-Fi network. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.